We have pieces. What'd you do now, Larry?
I don't know yet.
You ready? We haven't driven it yet. All right, show's all on you.
Wow.
Of course.
Why don't you try climbing that hill? Yeah. Wow. Oh, you gotta fix that.
You gotta break it. Hold on, let's take it to the lot over across the street. Let's take it to the lot across the street. We gotta. Come on, let's take it to the lot across.
Brainstorm today. Put them big ass tires on the back of it, and I didn't know it was gonna do this. Because here we are. We got some snow on the ground. And oh my God, this is too much fun.
All right, let's go over there. So Will's got it on 100%, I think, for the second time. Wow.
Be nice to it.
Larry. Got that. Ouch. I guess I'll get it. We gotta put a 3S in that thing. Doing good, man. Nice. Look at that. That was perfect. Oh, and he bounced over. All right, Will's gonna try some break dancing with the Hosim. Oh, and he gets it. Nice, he did it. That was awesome. There you go. Go this time. Back it up a little bit. That was awesome. Will, that was great, dude. There you go. You're on your wheels. There you go. Ruby's on the other side, but go ahead. There you go.
I done so bad.
What? It's full of snow. Yeah. Did you go backwards? Ow! That one hurt. That one hurt. Yep. Alright. Might be that battery just giving it a bad connection. Or it could be, or it could be all the nope, time to switch trucks. Let it cool down.
It was fun for a minute, though.
We got some good shots.
Yeah.
At least we got some good pictures before it broke.
You can see
How much bigger the tires are.
with them big ass tires on the back, but
It looks odd with the little tiny ones on the front. What are you talking about? Better with the gyro, huh? Right on. All right, let's go in then.